Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that a lot of you have been asking about, the code for Popular Direct Bank. But before we get into the specifics, let's take a step back and talk about why you might need this information. There are a few reasons. Transferring money. If you're trying to transfer money to or from your Popular Direct account, you'll need the routing number and account number. Direct deposit. If you want to set up direct deposit from your employer or another source, you'll need the routing number and account number. Paying bills. If you want to pay bills online or by phone, you'll need the routing number and account number. So, now that we know why you might need the code for Popular Direct Bank, let's get into the specifics. The routing number for Popular Direct Bank is 113007835. The account number for your Popular Direct account will be a unique number that is assigned to you when you open your account. You can find your account number on your bank statement or by logging into your online banking account. Now that you have the routing number and account number, you can use them to transfer money, set up direct deposit, or pay bills. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and banking.